Are you tired of working in a messy shop environment that requires multiple cleaning products to tackle tough grease and grime? So were we. That's why the team at Presta Products developed Apex heavy-duty cleaning wipes. These dual-sided wipes have a textured side to scrub away paint, grease, oil, tar, dirt, and grime, and a smooth side to wipe the surface clean. Apex wipes are a citrus-based lanolin formula that will not leave behind a residue and is safe for hands. These wipes work on most hard surfaces including stainless steel, aluminum, hard plastic, formica, granite, and marble. They are even safe for leather and vinyl. Use them in the shop to clean workbenches, cabinets, tools, equipment, wheels, and automotive boat or RV exteriors. Use them in the front office, waiting room, and break room on chairs, tables, appliances, or even on bathroom and kitchen surfaces. Use them to clean your hands after completing a messy job. No matter what the mess is, clean it up with Presta Apex heavy-duty cleaning wipes.